See, when I mean name Freddy and the girls, them Teddy. Girl, I rub down my belly like a sweet guava jelly. Better than PDD and them friend named Nelly. Come here. Say, come here. Nobody with that. Sleeping don't love you anymore. Him lock you out. I have a new girl in there. See? Toots of the maker. 137 on earth to heaven. Yo. Hello? Yeah, Zara. Me have to interview there, Zara. I'm talking. Huh? Yes, I close the bedroom door. It's the wife, innit? You're gonna be on camera after this filming. You're in the middle of it. You're in the middle. I love you, Zara, yeah? You're on camera now. Alright? That's why I interview. Your bedroom door is closed, darling. One love. Sorry about that. Man's gotta do what a man's got to do. Come and bun them out, yes, we come for bun them out. We come for bun them. We come for bun them out, yes, we come for bun them out. So we no business who attack and no shout. We come for bun them out, yes, we come.
I'm Hip Hop Magazine, Global Faction. We're here with the legendary MC artist, straight out of Kingston, Jamaica, the one that we call Daddy Freddy.
One up. Pleasure to be here. Thanks for having me. Saying Rastafari, saying one love. Burn out the Ku Klux Klan, burn out fascism, but out all these ism. Saying, I'm on that one. If you're gonna hear me I talk about, yeah, let's shoot this man here and put one in his head now. No, I'm not upon that. I'm not upon that one. Saying, you know, I'm not upon that one. If you're gonna hear me I disrespect woman on record too, I know my type of thing. Saying, that now put nothing educational in the youth, them head. Saying, it's about a gun thing and it's about a shooting thing and it's about a, you see, it's reality. A reality, you know. So to counteract that, saying, yeah, you have to preach the right thing. Trenchtown. Yeah. Kingston, Merville Road, near Texton Road. Jungle them call it. My father come from this side. Nello. Miss Parker come from the other side over the other side. Miss Parker, Maria Parker. Still Trenchtown. That Trenchtown kid. When I go all over, my family all over, so. You know what I mean? You know, so sometimes I left with a trench, I'm going to go over Portmore, it was St. Catch, you know, up St. Mary, go sit down with my cousin, them all. You know what I mean? Different thing. Go learn some different thing and come back to my zone. Trench town, born and grow. Trench town, I go school, Woolmer's High School. Seeing? Right? Seeing, we used to DJ at TST concert. We used to DJ all over. My uncle used to put me up on box for DJ, you know. When I a little boy. You know what I mean? Glad I'm my uncle, saying, from Wild Bun Sound. So, we're seeing all these great artists, Dillinger. I could go on and on because I know all of them. And he said, that's my joy. That was my buzz. It still is my buzz. We used to have one lyrics, you know. We used to have one lyrics, you go, so, follow me Jet Anna, follow me and follow me Ballhead, follow me and follow me this and follow me and follow me that and follow me and follow me uptown, follow me and follow me downtown, follow me and follow me at Kingston, follow me and follow me Westmoreland, follow me, you know what I mean? Just one little lyric, but everybody love it. I mean, follow me one by one. Madam and child, you see me and you, seeing, we get empty from Joe, seeing, and then we just get back the balance from the great Nicodemus and Brigadier Jerry. Saying, great, fabulous. So we just start going, you know what I mean? Because sometimes I run left the rhythm. Because I get too excited. Saying, Demus and R. Jonas would say, no, my lad, still in the middle of the thing, General. And do that. You see, saying, so, I learn balance. I learn different things. I'm open-minded to listen. I say, boy, blood, ignorance. I say, what we are talking about? You're old. Well, we've been honest to you. No, man. You're going to listen down the line because you get old at all. See, you're being an idiot, a dunce, if you have that type of attitude. When I go to school, I do songs, you know. I hide from school and go to studio from my mother, you know. See, I go to studio one. Brentford Road, Cox and Dad, run from Brentford Road. Because my grandmother live on Penrith Road, right around the corner. See, Mrs. Nelson, my grandmother. So I'm have to just walk around the corner, like when I leave out of the studio and go right at the gate. So I'm in Cox and Dad, seeing John what them and the water them out there. So, alright, seeing, alright. So I check Mr. Dad, give me put on a song with him, Zoo Party. Zoo Party, this is the Zoo Party. I sit down and write the lyrics and but them time you can't stop and take tune, you have to know the whole song. It's not like today where you stop and you patch the song and you move the song. One take. So I'm coming from that era. One take. Not two take. You have to leave the studio, but you waste the man time. Leave. Them regime them here come from. See? So I have to do what I have to do. I have to get dangerous. No slipping thing. First big one was Sting. See, with me and Pinchers them. See, Pinchers and Tonto Metro them and the war them. See, and me get them bring me on Sting. And the big dance them, youth promotion them. You know what I mean? On a Thursday night. In the yard. That's like a stage show within a stage show, because everybody got there. So Johnny Osborne, every artist and come there, Michael Palmer, Puff Pint, everybody come there, Sugar Miner, place that. Seeing? You know, seeing Super Cat them, my brother. Seeing? Even Blackout used to come down in my youth. Seeing? Alright? So therefore, I guess I'm start take this serious now. This I get too serious now. We are going to do with people and say, boy, Freddy that in a real. But them thing there, when you're young, can cause egos in your head too, you know. So that's where my elders come in. Nobody will call you do look at one song, you know, man. You think, say, you know, you're Michael Jackson now. See, hold it. See, is what you're going to do next. Really exciting, but shocking. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like, it's surprising, a big major surprise, you know what I mean? You know, because youth promotion is doing a tour around the country in Jamaica. Sugar Miner, you know what I mean? And Daddy Anstem and Colorman, them Donna P, Blacker T, Tenasa, you know what I mean? Michael Prophet, you know what I mean? You name it was there. Everywhere we had the whole of Jamaica. See? So me a DJ on the sound and I go and mash up the place. The whole of way I mash up, I go and mash up the place, and then Sugar Miner look at me after the tour finished and said to me, yeah, get your passport. I thought he was joking. I said, you need a passport, you know. So I said, passport for, you know, see it, and I said, boy, you have a tour in America and England. See, I want you to deal with it. You, Colorman, Blacker T. I thought he was joking. I said, no, it's not a joke anymore. I mean, I got fired. See, plus me have tune at the charts at Jamaica them time there. With Harry J. Me have Get Fat and me have Body Lasher. See, and then I come back forward again and do some tune for Exterminator, Vina, Fattisbury at the same time I go on. Because I have voice, you know, not only in the camp, but I have voice with some different producer. See, and the tune them I hit. Bad Boy Patrol. We are the champions, and you know what I mean? You see, so they might play me anyway, but me up on the sound. You see, like me I do PR, you know what I mean? You see, on the sound. I mean, I'm not DJ the tune, you know. I'm just a freestyle and I DJ some different thing. I did real dancehall thing. Clashing and with stereo and with Stitchy and Papa San them down the road and Wickerman them, Captain Barky. Enough things, you know, brother. You know what I'm saying? Right? If me go through a process where it's a good process, I will do it again. I swear down I will do it again. I will go through that same process again. If somebody asks me if I will do that again. See, it's a great process. I creep before I walk. You see, I learn how to cook. On the tour, you have to cook. I do not cook, I have to wash today. See, you learn how to be a man. It's like a boot camp then. Well, I went to America first. All of us went to America first. See? And then, I love America, but I prefer England. To me, everybody wants to go to America. When the son, boy, I'm America, I want to go in there. I said, no, England, I want to go in there. England, something about England. My mom said, no, man, England, I want to read up and think that good country, but I said, no, England, I want to go. See? Because I notice the vibes of England. This is not this America, because they love me, America. See? My thing, I'm more calm in England. See, even though I'm in America, I'm calm still, but you know what I mean? England, my thing. See, so I go to Obama, go to America, mash up over there, so boom, and then come straight and so. From come off of the plane, I smell the fresh air, I say, yeah, man. Back in business. Serious fam, you know? Them time there. You know what I mean? Because England is well forward to, you know. Them time in the music, you know. See? Even now, England is well forward in the music, you know, because the link with Jamaica is like that. If you vice of Jamaica right now, at England, it there, right now. Same thing with America now. You understand me? Seeing? Right? Seeing, so, me love England. Seeing? Plus most of my friends go to America, them either got prisoner or dead. So right now, my brethren go to England, I see them come back home safe. You see me? Brixton. No, first, no, I'm lying. I went to Fonthill Road first, in Finsbury Park. And then I spent a week over there. See? Because I come to Brixton and I said, nah man, I love Brixton, I'm a salt boy, you know. Yeah man, I love Brixton, I love Brixton. Brixton is my place. Brixton, Peckham, Campbell, Mellon Road, all them places, I'm a place. I love not, don't get me wrong, because my brethren want not there. But I kill me, seeing? Right? But Brixton is my place. First artist I met, Kenny Knots and them youth there. Kenny Knots, Tipper, me link up back with Tipper them. Papa Levi, before Kenny Knots, Skipper Rankin, all them youth there. See Horseman, Ricky Rankin. Ricky Rankin, you're the first one me link up with before me even link Tipper them. Ricky Rankin, Ricardo Mackenzie. Seeing? Me and him Cameron and Whitney and we're not Taurus. Seeing? Because sometimes youth promotion not play out, youth promotion not play out. Me will go to Taurus. Because every night is a dance. So I make money and plus I enjoy myself. You know what I'm saying? Ricky carry me bride all around and them thing there. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Them link up in a tip and them run a Saxon. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And then me link tenor fly after that. We run a Coxon. Because youth promotion go back at Jamaica and Sugar Man and say, boy, boom. Black and Jed them say, boy, I better you stay as a DJ upon this, you know. See? So me and Blacker Jed, the next great man in play a part in my thing in England. Blacker Jed, Coxon sound, you know what I mean? Well, I'm in this place in Mellon Road, and then Asha D saying, come to me and say, boy, boom. This you know, a producer want to do something for him because I hear about me and them thing and everything. Them Simon Harris. Seeing? So that's how that genre they start. The Guinness Book of Records, everything start. From this it started. So see, a whole new scope. And I was made for that. Because that was my thing in Jamaica. Because my uncle son Walbert play a whole for hip hop, dance music. I can tell you about all type of music. Jazz, everything. Gladdy, my uncle Gladdy, him know them thing there. Even to this day, I saw Wild Bunch play. Wild Bunch play everything. Calypso, everything. Seeing? Some know about music, I used to play the sound. Seeing? And DJ over them rhythm there. Some know them beat there, some know, and some start play hip hop. Seeing? So I get me excited. So I'm going to the studio with Ashadi, come check one morning. And say, no, the money I look for you. So come to the studio. We go to West End. Seeing Tottenham Court Lane, you know, Anway Street, Tottenham Court, you know what I mean? So I'm going to boom, 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 and then I'm going in the camera, go in the studio, now Marble at the bunker, around Simon Harris, and then play this beat, boom, 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 boom. So I said, Lord, can I have something for that, you know? So I say, yeah. So I put on the headphones same time. Same, ragamuffin, hip hop, the ragamuffin, hey, ragamuffin. Asha them come in and but me a DJ the whole tune, him stop me. I say, what you stop me for? Seeing? Him say, no man, this is mad, this is amazing man. So I say, you shouldn't stop me, do my part and then Asha can do film part and, you know what I mean? So him say, no man, I've got that, I'm gonna stop that and then you do. But me just get used to a different type of voicing now. So he might teach me something when me never, you know what I mean? Seeing? But I never look at normal Jamaica, just run the track. I'm just DJ through that. Seeing? Right? He must say, no, you don't have to do that. I'm on them computer thing. I say, what is? Seeing? Come used to some real to real thing and we are carrying it on, man. The man make it look simple. Seeing? And then I go back and do We Are the Champions. Seeing? And then the tune start kick off KRS One, them here to America, Justice, seeing Ice-T, seeing LL. Run the MC from Profile them, seeing they love it, the whole of them love it. So you must start, you know what I mean? Seeing? So, and then my friend them start say, boy, Freddy, what type of music that you do, Virgin? And I say, well, you see what type of music I do, man. Seeing? Then I meet Heavy D, Rest in Love, a great rapper that. Met Heavy D, through Heavy D, yeah. I meet a lot of rappers like the LL them, the Cool Mo D them, you know what I mean? That's how Cypress still not come out yet. Cypress still not there. See? I meet Queen Latifah, Moni Love, Roxanne Shante, you know what I mean? Big Daddy Kane, Eric B. Rakim. I meet them start part peer rappers. A peer rapper I start part with. Start, you know what I mean? Even in England, Derek B. You know what I mean? Some I meet Bionic and Rodney P. them. Cause them did about them kind of hip hop scene and you know what I mean? Meet enough great artists, Demon Boys, you know what I mean? Million Dan them and I meet, you know what I mean? So we start hang out. You know seeing she rockers them, we Papa Girl rappers them. Don't worry about that. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry about that. See, as a matter of fact, I'm gone, sir. I'm gone, sir. Them gone. Yo! I'm gone, no. Yeah.
You've been sampled enough times.
Enough times.
Right. Because there's a few people you get in hip hop, someone like Nas or a Big L.
Yes.
And you hear them on so many scratches.
Yeah.
Guru's another one, isn't it? You're always hearing them.
Guru from Gangsta.
Yeah. And then but you're another one. People at Cypress Hill, KRS.
Yeah, man.
All over the world, all the jungle scene, all these things.
Yeah, man.
What's it like when you're just walking down the road and you hear a rhythm you never even heard before with your voice?
Yeah, what see it there? So I know some people that listen to me. You know what I mean? And it is my joy. It's not greater than money, you know, because money will come. Some people run down money and sell them soul for money. Well, them sample my voice and I warning. Seeing? Right? Oh, the shumba. Seeing? And then I come back here. Seeing? But jungle coming like dub music in Jamaica, you know. You have some music Jalove used to play, you know. You know that? Seeing? So that's already jungle in Jamaica for me. Plus that jungle I come from. I talk about jungle is from 1986, 87. Seeing? Alright? So therefore, who's junglist then? Born and grown in Trenchtown, who's junglist then? No disrespect, but who's junglist then? Sister Nancy, Mama Nancy, Carol, Sister Carol. Seeing? I rate them two empresses there. Them queens, I call them. My mother, them queens there. Seeing? Different type of empresses them. Seeing? Different type. Them teach me a whole lot. Them teach me, you know what I mean, that swagger style. You know what I mean? You know, it's 36 step in a Charlie now. Seeing? Me make 58 and continue it. Seeing? Yeah man, I know everything. I know every style, pattern, everything. From me ear, I know where to go. From here the beat drop one time, boom, I know where to go with that. Seeing? It's just a knock. You know what I mean? Yeah, we have some great empresses in the business. Dawn Penn, Marcia Griffiths, Judy Mowat. These are my mothers, man. Sleepy's a different type of man right now, Gretchen. Sleepy upon a thing named Not Normal Production. Sleepy come like him born in Jamaica in Trenchtown. He must climb from out of one place and put him here and some man say, oh, wow. Boy, this boy not normal. Sleepy time goes, he's not a normal producer. I'm not big up him head because I'm not getting no ego, but he is not a normal boy. He is not a normal human being then. See? Because for make them production, they have to deal with certain things. You're normal, man. Serious, fam. I mean, he's a man knowing people are normal, which is good. See? Chaos is a good thing sometimes. High Lou is the next great champion too. See? Ed. See? We're all champions, man. See? Well, actually, I came here with Congo Natty, you know. See, come and big up our Congo Natty too. Because he's a boy, right? I chat from my heart, you know. See, I big up Mikel too. You see, because I'm up on the UK All Stars album, you know what I mean? See, with the rest of the family, them. See, alright? So, came here with him and boom, and buck up in a sleepy. See, I was voicing something for Congo really. See, and then Stevie asked me, go so we just build up a relationship, a musical relationship. See my friend say, you build them thing, brother. Not now when I'm as a boy Fred. But Sleepy come like in shy sometimes, so you know, you see, so and he asked me, he play some beats, and I say, boy, I'm not love to put a vocals on it. Put my vocals on it. But I'm not tell about Ray and I say, yeah man, anything I need, man, boom, boom, boom. I never said to him, should I make an album, come here, you know what I mean, some beats and there. So I say, alright, I'm voice something and so we can make a thing go on, you know? See? And this is where it comes to now. Music can play a big thing. Word, sound and power, positivity. See? Some of the artists, them can't tell them how to talk, because some artists, you know what I mean, do them thing. But me more talk about reality and what I go on. You know what I mean? Seeing, because I'm born politicians and pedophiles and them boys, so seeing that I'm my thing that. To educate the youth them. Seeing in the best way I can. Seeing lyrically, seeing, you know, me I teach them right, me I teach them wrong. Me I show them what, that wrong if you go do that.
How important is it for you to surround yourself with people, for young artists coming up, to surround yourself with artists like that? And the team.
It's good for your learning process. You know what I mean? I learn for the elders, them there before me, them see things more than me. Because you're up on the scene and I go and rate it. You know, them see things that been here before you, like your mom and dad. You know what I mean? Seeing? Them see things. So me absorb all that knowledge, me absorb all that energy, like a sponge, and put it in my thing and go so bam, and roll with it. You know what I mean? You see? Cause every time I see my elders, I feel good, man. Because I know I'm going to build 20 tunes today. I know that. I'm back up in the ranking, Joe. Seeing, I'm a brother them. Seeing Blackout J.A., great artist. You know what I'm saying? Great, I'm right on that. See, back then, you know what I mean? Remember, you never have no download, no this, no that, you know what I mean? See, you never even have cellular phone I walk up and down with, so you sell your record. Seeing, you know, that's why I respect the elders then. Certain elders I cannot, you know what I mean? Call it, you know what I mean? This is why society sometimes stray, because they don't respect them elders. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? That is why society is like it is. With some of the youth them. But you can't really blame the youth. So Peter to say, you can't blame the youth. You can't fool the youth. See? They need something to cling on to. You know what I mean? For me, I'm surge. Because they're going to be elders in their time to pass down to back. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You're not getting younger every day, you get older. You know what I mean? So I continue what the greats them teach me. Rankin Joe the teacher. Saying, you know, Sister Nancy, Brigadier Jerry, Hugh Brown, Lone Ranger, Al Capone, Daddy Hugh Roy. I pick all these people name. Some youth, the younger one, them research and do them research. I say, what you know what I mean? And see where certain things. I say, okay then.
You've worked with enough legendary artists as well, obviously.
Yes.
Born from a legendary place, worked with legendary people.
Yes.
And a few years ago, we lost one of them legendary people.
Yes, man.
Tenafly.
Yeah, Tenafly, my little brother, man.
Yeah, I know you two were close.
Reporter, man. Great artist, man. Great.
Yeah.
Great kiddos, man. Seeing Tipper Irie. Great. Philip Levi. Best of British. Seeing, you know, Cox and Crew, Saxon Crew, Taros, Ricky Rankin is another great one. Ass, man. I name them out to Smiley Culture. Seeing Peppery Bongo Chili, YT. Seeing all these artists, my family them, man, Top Cat. Seeing big up even Abdul, if you do the, you know what I mean, Global. Seeing if you do all the videos them and work as a family thing, and you know, I have to give respect to these people because them help and us, you know, promote this new album, I did the Sleepy Time Ghost. You know what I mean? You know, with all my family members on it, my family artist members, them Blackout, Bongo Chili Pepper, Celine, you know, Selvi Wanda, you know, seeing Action Fire, Bucky Joe is on it, as I said, and Bunny Lila feature on it, you know, seeing, you know, so this is what I'm basically doing. We have a mixture of all type of things on this one. I have reggae, jungle, roots, hip hop, everything is on this one, you know. The first single is Bun Dem out in the next 2 weeks. And then after that we take it from there, so the album probably by about September them time you hear the album. See, but we're gonna put out, we have some videos to put out, you know what I mean? Have some other sign. Every 3 months we're gonna try to put out a new thing. Big up Richmond, love you say, for life. Zara Alidina, Father Alidina, Amin Alidina, Jaysha, Jamal, Jane, Faith, Jacob, saying, big up all the artists who support me on this. Action Fire, Blackout, for life, I'm a right hand man. Saying Color Man, saying Selvi Wanda, Shumba, Celine, you're a star, baby.
Police of the world that you claim to be. Charge from car, blood run like say. Clarty, fire gets catchy. Bun Babylon like Sizzla Colanchi. Bun dirty brief and bun dirty panty. Bun in farmer, them a figure sing song.